Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy travel insurance for students with World Nomads step by step clearly. Start by visiting the World Nomads website. Look for the option to get a quote for your travel insurance. Select the destination country where you will be traveling. Enter the dates of your trip. Provide the details regarding your age and the number of travelers. Choose the type of coverage you need from the available options. Review the different plans to find one that fits your needs. Check for any specific activities you plan to participate in during your trip. Add any additional coverage options if necessary. Once you have selected a plan, proceed to the application form. Fill in your personal information accurately, including your name and contact details. Review the policy terms and conditions carefully. Make sure to understand any exclusions or limitations within the policy. Proceed to the payments section to finalize your purchase. Choose your preferred payment method and enter your payment details. Confirm your payment and wait for the confirmation email with your policy details. Keep a digital or printed copy of your travel insurance policy. Know how to contact World Nomads in case of any questions or claims while traveling. Familiarize yourself with the claims process in advance. Take note of the emergency contact numbers provided by World Nomads. You are now ready to travel with peace of mind, knowing you have coverage tailored for students. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.